In this lesson, we will learn what are loops in Java. With that, we will also see the types and examples. Let us start. In Java, loops are used to repeatedly execute a block of code until a condition is met. Okay, so here are the types of loops in Java: while, do while, and for loop. So let us understand the loops one by one. The first one is the while loop. When the number of iterations is not known beforehand, it runs until the condition becomes false. That is, if the condition is true, a statement or a group of statements execute in a while loop. The body of the loop won't get executed if the condition is false. Here is the syntax: while, condition. If the condition is true, the statements will get executed. Okay, so let us see an example to understand the while loop in Java. Here is our VS Code. We already created the Amit Java project and we have the files here for Java. Here we have the while loop in Java. This is our class and the execution begins here. We have taken an integer variable I is equal to 5. Now the conditions will be checked. While I is less than 10, is I less than 10? Yes, 5. 5 is less than 10, so it will print 5, then it will increment. Now we have 6 here. Is 6 less than 10? Yes, 6 will get printed, then increment. 7 is less than 10, it will print, then it will increment. 8 is less than 10, it will print 8. 9 is less than 10, yes, it will print 9, and after that increment. Now the value of 9 is 10 after the increment. Is 10 less than 10? No, so this won't get printed and we have the output, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it is. So in this way the while loop works, where the condition is checked here. Now let us see the do while loop. You can relate it with the while loop. The do while loop executes at least once. That is, it is used when the loop must run at least once, regardless of condition. So even if the condition or expression is false, the do while will execute at least once. Okay, the condition will get checked later. Here is the syntax. You can relate it with the while loop. Do, then the statement will get executed, and after that the while condition will get checked. So the statement will get executed at least once. Now let us see an example to understand the do while loop. Now we have the do while loop. You can relate it with the while loop. Here we have our class. This is our main function I is equal to 5. Here you can see we have the do here and while here. So the condition will get checked later. So it will first print do. It will go inside this because no condition is checked. It will print 5. Then I will come here. Then it will increment 5 to 6. Is 6 less than 10? Yes. It will go and print 6. Then it will increment it to 7. Is 7 less than 10? Yes. Okay. It will print 7. Then it will increment it to 8. Is 8 less than 10? Yes. It will print 8 and it will take it to 9. Then is 9 less than 10? Yes, it will print 9 and it will then increment. Is, that is while 10 less than 10? No. So this will end the execution. So the output will be the same. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in do while loop. It's just that it will execute this statement at least once. If it is 12 here, I'll right click and run. It will only print 12. Why? Because the condition is false. But since no condition is checked here, it will print 12 and then the condition will be checked, which will be false. Therefore, at least once the value will get printed. That is, the statement will get executed. So this was do while loop in Java. We saw both the examples, that is the while loop and the do while loop. So now let us see the difference. I told you that if the condition is false, the body of the loop won't get executed in a while loop. But in do while, even if the condition is false, the body of the loop will get executed at least once. The expression is checked at the top in while loop, whereas the condition or expression gets checked at the bottom of the do while loop. Here is the syntax. You can relate it. So we saw what is a while loop and a do while loop. Now let us see the for loop. When the number of iterations is known in advance, we use the for loop. So it gets executed a specified number of times. The initialize, test and increment occurs in a single line, unlike the while and do while loops. Here is the syntax. You need to mention the for keyword, and then your initialization comes, then the expression, and then the increment operator or decrement. If the expression or condition is true, the statements will get executed. Now let us see an example to understand how to implement for loop. Now we have the for loop in Java. In for loop, we initialize the variable here, we check the condition here, and we increment or decrement here. Here we declared and initialized. We could have also added it like this and removed this, or we can also do it like this, which we saw before. Here first the integer is initialized and given a value 0. The loop starts with I is equal to 0. The condition is checked. If true, it will enter the loop. If false, it will exit. It is true because 0 is less than 5. It will go here and print 0. After that, this will occur and the value of I will be 1. Is I less than 5? Yes, it will go here and print 1. Then it will increment. 2 is less than 5. It will print 2. Then increment 3. Is 3 less than 5? Yes, 3 will get printed. Then increment I will be now 4. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, so 4 will get printed. Then it will increment to 5. Is 5 less than 5? No, so this won't get printed. So the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way the for loop execution works. The class file also got generated. Guys, we saw what are loops in Java. We also saw the types with examples. Thank you for watching.